week I made a video of Dakers Lane, but today I really think today is the day, and I really think I am going to get a lot of views on this video because I haven't got a lot of views on my last video. So if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't watched my videos previously, and if you haven't subscribed, please go and do it right now. And I am here at Khyber Pass. I am really hoping to do and eat a lot of nice things and show you guys a lot of nice things as well.
Prawn Kobiraji, prawn cutlet, fish batter fry.
Fish fry.
খান না
Fish fry.
একটা বড় ফিশ ফ্রাই একটা ডায়মন্ড ফিশ ফ্রাই বাজবে ভাই একটা ডায়মন্ড ফিশ ফ্রাই বাজবে একটা ডায়মন্ড ফ্রাই হবে
Seems like I'm still following, you know, the Dakers Lane adventure. Last week, Dakers Lane. Right now also we are outside the Dakers Lane stall. And Ankita is trying the fish fry that I haven't tried that day. In Dakers Lane, there is this famous stall called Chitto Babu's Dokan. So if you have watched the video, you might have seen that the guy out there told me that in Chitto Babu's Dokan, along with the chicken stew and bread, you get a really nice fish fry. So in Khyber Pass, they have given a stall, and I'm trying the jumbo fish fry from there. So it tastes really nice. Big fan of fish fries actually.
কি চিড়িয়াখানা নতুন জানোয়ার দুজন মিলে আমায় ইয়ে করছিস আমাতে এইটা আমপুরা শরবত খেতে ভালোই লাগছে অমর তো বলছে বাজে লাগছে আমি জানি না কেন
তো নেক্সট টাইম স্টল দেবে
না একটা রিজন আছে অমর তো বললো ওর বাড়িতে এর থেকে বেটার আমপোড়া পাওয়া
তো
যায়
নেক্সট টাইম ও স্টল দেবে এখানে
বাড়ির একটা স্টল দিয়ে দিয়েছে এখানে সরকার কিচেন I'm already sweating like crazy, and there are so many people out here. There are so many stores out here. Really don't think I'll be able to even cover 50% of the stores, but then let's see how many I can cover.
Presented by Wildstone SRMP Real Estate partner Sananda.
পাঁচফোড়া চিকেন কত করে 200 টাকা কপিস থাকে 5 পিস
Our favorite, Onkita's favorite, and motamoti shobar favorite Mitro Cafe is also here. So if you haven't seen the Mitro Cafe video as well, please go ahead and check it out. Let's see what other things we get to see here. There are like 50 to 60 stalls out here. I'm not sure about it. I just counted it abruptly. If you plan on trying food from 50 to 60 stalls out here, you are not going to get back home.
There is a hospital name
Yes. So just beside the ground there is a hospital. So if you eat too much out here, then go and visit the hospital.
This is Ram.
Cheers. Cheers. So we really wanted to try something unique, and we are getting to try something unique. This is liquor chocolate. This has vodka. Omurto's one has rum. Onkita's one has whiskey.
You have to open the mask to eat it, and we'll capture your expression when it explodes. You have to have it whole,
As a whole. What's the vodka inside? The name of the store is Silk Chocolates. I don't know where this is, but then definitely post this entire thing. I'll go and find the place out and we'll go and visit it. I strongly believe they have good coffee as well in their store. So this is my first time having fish kobiraji from Mitro Cafe. I never had it. Been to Mitro Cafe a lot of times but never had that. And I really think this is not as good as a mutton kobiraji, but this is really nice. So the plan right now is, you know, to try something different. Ki khawa jete pare?
No, virgin mojito is same.
So we are still trying the same things out here. Onkita is going to try the virgin mojito, and she's desperately trying to help me click a thumbnail. জাস্ট হচ্ছে না, এখানে এত লোকের মাঝখানে থাম্বনেল তোলা সম্ভব না। একটা জিনিস amazing out here is the Turkish ice cream. So we are going to try that. You know that Turkish ice cream where they do all these stunts and everything with the ice cream. So we're gonna have that. Maybe that is the last thing we're gonna try. We are waiting for Virgin Mojito out here, and they have got some really nice things. Okay, oh sorry, this is the Blue Lagoon. It's supposed to be Blue Lagoon, but then it's Blue Lagoon. Virgin Mojito. Sunset Glory. Green apple. Pineapple punch. For some reason, all the spellings are wrong out here. I really don't expect this to happen. Every single spelling is wrong.
You are not a grammar teacher.
The taste is as wrong as the spelling. Angita, give me a comprehensive review of the Bash Poda chicken.
খেয়ে তো নেই রুটি নিয়ে আসবো
তন্দুরি রুটি পাওয়া যাচ্ছে
তন্দুর পার্কে
No disrespect to anyone, but this doesn't look like Bash Poda chicken.
চিকেন কষা
This doesn't taste like Bash Poda chicken. This tastes exactly like normal chicken kosha or normal chicken curry. Oh, very disappointing. অঙ্কিতা মোটামুটি Bash Poda chicken expect করে 200 টাকা দিয়ে চিকেন কারি কিনেছে। Smart. Had a lot of fishes. খুব দরকার কড়াইশুঁটি কচুরি খাওয়ার, খুব ইচ্ছা হচ্ছে কড়াইশুঁটি কচুরি খাওয়ার।
তাহলে 2 প্লেট নিচ্ছি নাকি খাবো
Found ourselves some luchi and Kashmiri aloo dum.
আর কাশ্মীরি
Sorry, কড়াইশুঁটি কচুরি and aloo dum.
কড়াইশুঁটি কচুরি আর
Most favorite thing
অর্ডার
for me.
যাচ্ছে
Most favorite thing it should be for everyone.
হেপি দাদা তোরই ভালো লাগে খাও তোর নাকি পেট ভরা ওই তো
তো এটা হচ্ছে আমার মোস্ট ফেভারিট জিনিস অ্যাকচুয়ালি কড়াইশুঁটি কচুরি আর আলুর দম ফ্রম 16 আনা বাঙালি
16 আনা বাঙালি শিয়ানা বাঙালি
শেফটা ভালো এটাই ক্যাপশন
কে দেখ
আমি জানি না 16 আনা বাঙালি দোকানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি কড়াইশুঁটি কচুরি আলুর দম পাওয়া যায় কিনা বাট ডেফিনেটলি ইফ ইউ আর সামওয়ান হু লাভস দিস ইউ শুড গো অ্যান্ড হ্যাভ ইট ফ্রম দেয়ার it's that good, it's that amazing, and I think I can totally guarantee I'm not going to have anything after this. I'll just have something sweet, but this is super amazing. হেলমেটগুলো হাতে করে নিয়ে ঘোরাটা এত ইরিটেটিং আমার মনে হয় হেলমেটটা পরে নেওয়াই উচিত তুমি পরে নিবি হেলমেটটা মাথায় উচিত আমি কি এটা পরে নেবো I was talking about that, you know. আমরা যত খাবার খেয়েছি তার থেকে বেশি ড্রিঙ্কস খেয়েছি আছে সো দিস ইজ চিলি বেসিল পোট্যাটো টেস্টটা একটু বল ভালো খেতে বাহ what a review, what a food review, heavy খেতে and we have what a heavy review, yes, and the Virgin Mojito again আগের Virgin Mojitoটার থেকে 10 times better খেতে actually make it like 100 times better খেতে আগেরটার থেকে
এর মহিলা স্পেলিংটা ঠিক আছে না
এখানে Virgin Mojito Blue Lagoon সবার spelling was all right in that store it was wrong and the food taste was as wrong as the spelling like I have told you. We have a kid in the house, so it's for her. So we had fish finger and chili basil potato along with drinks from Angie's Wash House and Cafe. Highly recommended, really nice. One of the best, like, you know, throughout the day. I really enjoyed it. So we are here for the final thing, that is the turkey fest. Okay.
mango vanilla strawberry caramel and vanilla
जल्दी जल्दी टर्की आइसक्रीम
ले लो आपको कौन सा
vanilla
अयो मिक्स में आप
सिंगल फ्लेवर 200 सिंगल फ्लेवर 500
Take it!
Stretchy, stretchy. Very fish করা।
দেখুন তো
ইলাস্টিসিটি আইসক্রিমের নর্মালের থেকে বেশি।
আমি অত বোকা না।
তা আমাকে খেতে দে আরে নিয়ে নে আমি খাবো না Wrapping the video up, hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let more people know about my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down whatever you think regarding this video, regarding Khyber Bus 2021. I'm going to see you in my next.